So hello fellow coin collectors, Glenn back here, and today we're talking about Canadian 10 cents. So for this video I don't have any earlier 10 cents, but the earlier 10 cent coins look pretty much like this Canadian 25 cent from 1919, except they're the same size as the current coin. They have the effigy on the obverse and just a value and some maple leaves on the reverse of the coin. So those coins, while they're not exciting, they are silver. They are 92.5, which is silver sterling, the same as the UK coins, and they're all pretty much low mintage. So 1910 is a mintage of nearly 4.5 million. Most of them have a less mintage than that, and some of them have mintage under 1 million. And with 92.5% silver, they are about $2.50. The earliest silver coin I have is 1950s. So this is 80% silver. So where is it? And this design was first issued in 1937. So this is with the change in the design, and this 2009 one shows the boat, ship, or whatever you want to call it, a lot better. As you can see, it's in better detail because this is a nickel plated steel, which is a lot harder to wear down. So this is the Blue Nose sailing ship. It's a schooner from Nova Scotia. So the original one has been destroyed. I think around 19, can't remember really. And they did make a replica, which is probably the one you see if you go to Nova Scotia. Now I hope I say Nova Scotia correctly. Maybe it's not Nova Scotia. No, I don't think it's Nova Scotia. And they all have the portrait of Queen Elizabeth. And this coin here has a portrait of George V. George VI, should I say. Earlier ones are for George V. You can see when they changed the actual metal content, they didn't even bother to change the reading. So in Australia, when we changed the metal content, we changed the reading from coarse reading like this to a fine reading. The Canadians didn't even worry about it. So this coin has a mintage of 17.8 million. So it is a pretty common coin, and in this condition probably only bullion, which is about $2.20. Then, so in 1920 they changed it from 92.5 to 80% silver, and then you can get the 1968-69, they changed it to 50% silver. And 68, they also changed it to nickel. So if you got a 1968, not too sure if I do have one here, how you differentiate it from, so here's a 1974, between nickel and silver is, nickel is magnetic. So, okay, I need to get my magnet. Okay, so what we do, we just shove them all together, see which ones actually stick to the actual magnet. Okay, looks like most of them have. So what we have here, we have the nickel plated steel, and we have the nickel coins that are sticking to the actual, so 74, yeah, 74. They use nickel to 89, actually 2000, and in 99 and 2000 they did issue nickel plated steel coins as well. So that's how you distinguish those two. 99. So this is a nickel plated steel. You can't really distinguish, should I say, but it should have a P on the reverse. So this one doesn't, so it is just a nickel. And the steel ones are probably a lot stronger in their magnetism than the nickel plated steel. As you can see, got quite a few. Now these have like 167, 200 million. These are all very common coins. Why didn't this one stick to it? That's just, it does stick to it. Yeah, it does too. If you take the silver one, no, the silver won't stick to it. Yeah, so the silver falls off. And basically, these are a common coin. These are not my favorite coins. The ship, yeah, I'm not a big fan of these schooner sailing ships or any sailing ships with a lot of rope on it. It's just something that I just don't like about them. The ships I like the Trimeme, which was used in the Greek and Roman times. Viking longship I do like. It's quite nice. Mainly the older ships. I don't mind small boats, dinghies, speedboats, they're fine. Just these ones, they just get to me for some reason. So, if you're going to pick up these, you can probably quite easily make a Canadian friend, or you can pick these up in bulk lots on eBay. So these should be very common in bulk lots. Or if you want to get foreign coin sets, you'll definitely pick some of these up in those. Anyway, just a short video on Canadian 10-cent coins. Not really much to see, really. Most of the dates you want to get are the early ones. Anyway, thank you very much and have awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.